In a quiet village near Bordeaux, France, lived an 82-year-old woman named Madame Claire Delacroix. She was a retired piano teacher, well known in her neighborhood for her perfectly baked croissants and her garden full of lavender. But what made her truly unique wasn't her baking or her flowers, it was her dream to learn English fluently, even in her 80s. Claire had always been fascinated by English. When she was young, she had visited London for a piano recital and had fallen in love with the sound of the language. But life happened, marriage, children, career, and she never got the chance to truly learn. That changed when her granddaughter, Juliette, came to visit one summer. "Grandmère, why don't you try learning English online?" Juliette suggested. "You can use TikTok. It's fun and free." Claire raised her eyebrow. "TikTok? Isn't that for teenagers dancing in strange outfits?" Juliette laughed. "Not anymore. People learn languages there too. You just need to follow the right accounts. I can teach you." At first, Claire was skeptical. But she trusted Juliette. Together, they created a TikTok account at English with Grandma Claire. Juliette helped her set up a phone stand in the kitchen, and they began with the basics. The first video was simple. Claire held a teacup and said, "This is a cup. I like tea. Do you like tea?" Then she smiled and gave a little wave. They posted the video, not expecting anything. But something magical happened. The next morning, the video had over 30,000 views. Comments poured in, "OMG, she's adorable. My grandma would never do this. This makes me want to learn English too." Claire was shocked and excited. "Oh la la. People from the world saw me," she gasped. Juliette nodded. "Yes, grandmère. You're going viral." Encouraged by the response, Claire started making videos every day. She practiced pronunciation, repeated common phrases, and even sang simple English songs she remembered from her youth. Her followers loved her. One day, she posted a video where she tried the tongue twister, "She sells seashells by the seashore." She mispronounced almost every word, laughed at herself, and then tried again. That video got over 1 million views. People didn't care that her English wasn't perfect. They loved her courage, her joy, and her honesty. She began connecting with English learners from around the world. A boy from India messaged, "I show your video to my grandma. Now she wants to learn English too." A woman from Brazil commented, "You inspire me not to be shy. Merci, Grandma Claire." Claire replied in her best English, "Thank you very much. Keep learning. Never too late." As months passed, Claire became more confident. Her pronunciation improved, and she even started teaching basic French-English phrases to her followers. One of her most popular series was Coffee Talk with Grandma Claire, where she'd sit with a cup of coffee, look at the camera, and speak English for 1 full minute, even if she made mistakes. Hello everyone. Today I talk about my cat. Her name is Mimi. She is old, like me. But she loves me. I love her too. Each video ended with her signature phrase, "Practice. Smile. Mistakes are okay." Soon, she received an invitation from a language learning podcast in New York. They wanted to interview her. Claire was nervous, but Juliette helped her prepare. On the podcast, when asked why she started learning English, she said, "Because I want to feel young again. Learning gives me energy. TikTok gave me new friends. English gave me a new life. After that interview, her followers doubled. Now with over 500,000 followers, Grandma Claire became a symbol of courage in the language learning community. But the journey wasn't always easy. One day, she accidentally used a slang word in the wrong context. Some people laughed, not kindly. Claire felt hurt. She stopped posting for a week. Juliet noticed. "Grandmère, are you okay? I don't want people to laugh at me," Claire whispered. Juliet held her hand. They laughed because they forgot that making mistakes is part of learning. "You're helping so many people, remember that." That evening, Claire made a video. Her eyes were soft but determined. "Hello. I made mistake. That is okay. I learn. I continue. Thank you for kind people. I will not stop." That video brought tears to many eyes, and reminded everyone why they loved her. 1 year later, Claire posted a video titled, "My First English Speech." Standing in her garden, she read from a short letter, "My name is Claire. I am 83 years old. I love learning English. I love TikTok. I love my new friends. Life is beautiful. Keep going. Thank you." The internet exploded with love. Claire wiped a tear and whispered, "This is the best chapter of my life. Love stories like this." Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on our YouTube channel. Practice English through inspiring, funny, and real-life stories like Grandma Claire's. You're never too old to dream, and never too young to begin.